Alright, so this is giving very much yabba dabba doo. Okay? Hey y'all, it's your girl Shugs and I am back with another video. Hey girl, hey. So today I'm real excited because your girl did some unnecessary online shopping and my packages have arrived. Okay? So I have a little pajama haul for y'all. So I have been like really into doing things for my self-care, okay? And that has started to include when I take nice showers or baths that I want to put on like cute matching pajama sets. So I spent like $300 on BooHoo pajama sets so that y'all don't have to, okay? Now, see if I have an invoice in here. It doesn't appear that I do, but here are all of my sets. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let me find my phone. Okay, so in total I spent, or altogether everything was like $330. But BooHoo always has some kind of sale. Everything is always either 40, 50, or 60% off. I really think they just be trying to play us and make us feel like we're getting a deal, and that's really just the regular price of their clothes. But it be working, so I'm not even mad. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna try on is this because it's on top. So now one of my things I ordered, so when I made the order, FedEx delivered my package one day last week, but they just like they said it was delivered and it was not in front of my door. And I live in a really good neighborhood, like I don't have to worry about nobody stealing nothing. So I ordered this. You can see it's called the Macaroon print jersey pajama short set. I got it for $16. It was 50% off. But when I contacted them and they resent my stuff, the customer service, I had to go back and forth a little bit because they tried to tell me that my package hadn't arrived yet when I had the screenshot saying it did. But then they just sent me back out my package. But this had sold out. So I couldn't get this, but you know, it's not the end of the world. It's called the Butterfly Leopard print short and tee pajama set. All of the sizes I believe are in a size 10. Alright, so I have on a red bra first of all, so if you can see that, sorry. So this is the set. I like it. I do think it's a little too big. Like it probably could have been a little bit tighter. But this is also probably for the best too. But yeah, I think I like it. I think I'll keep it. Let me go look in the mirror. All right, yeah, so I will definitely keep this. I wonder if, all right, so this is this. So it's a UK 14, US 10. That's why it's on there. It says this. Again, I like it. The material is actually like really, really soft. Yeah, I like this one. And I have this in this hot pink color as well. It's called Shiraz. I don't feel like I have to try it on twice, but let me just do it because you know sometimes it be the same thing, but they be cut different. So let me just make sure. So yeah, like this too. I'm going to try on this woman script top and short pajama set. The boot, like they have this line of clothes that just has like the word woman on it. I have a shirt from this line as well. So yeah. So this kind of wants to be like a crop top. I don't know how I feel about this one. How much did I spend on it? Because it was $13.50. So it don't look horrible in the mirror. I don't quite know how it's reading or fitting on camera. It doesn't really fit my butt like I'd like it to, but they're pajamas. And they're all like probably going to shrink because I'm gonna wash them before I actually like wear and sleep in them, just because you should always wash your clothes the first time you have them. I feel like, and I'm pretty sure when I like wash them and dry them, they're probably gonna shrink a little bit and then they'll fit like perfectly. So yeah. Next I'm going to try this snake print satin pajama short set. And I'm not finna sit up here and button all of this up, but this is this. I do really like the material. It's not like super soft or silky, but it doesn't claim to be silky, so that's cool, I guess. The main part on all of them that I don't love is the bottoms, but I feel strongly that they'll shrink some when I dry them, and even if they don't, it's like not the end of the world. All right, so this is giving very much yabba dabba doo. Okay, definitely feel like I'm on an episode of the Flintstones, but I don't hate it. Like, I actually really like them. Like, I liked all the pieces. Like, there's nothing that I like hate or dislike to the point I want to send it back. Like, I'll keep them and wear everything that I've worn thus far. So yes, I really like this one. I don't know why I like it so much, because I mean, it's not like it's the softest material. It's not like crunchy or nothing, but it's not like it's super soft. But I don't know, I really like this one. Again, the shorts fit kind of stupid, but yeah. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? Okay, so I've got my first fail. I probably like, I mean, your girl is a little out of shape, you know, but it fits really good on the butt actually. But it's this area, like, so sit in this back. Yeah. So I was really looking forward to this one. Glad I like it. It is, I'm not really tall. I'm like, how tall am I? Like 5'6.5", 5'7", something like that. They are a little bit like high waters on me, but not horrible. They are like really see-through. Like, can y'all see the tag? So super see-through. But again, the material is cheap, which is why I know for a fact when they be saying stuff is half off, because I probably paid, at most I probably paid $15 for this. You're not telling me that this was worth $30 and you gave me a deal. Like, it was worth $15. You ain't gotta lie, Craig. You ain't gotta lie. Okay. I like this. It's a hit. It's a banger. Don't really think there's anything too much to say about it. Feels really smoothly. I'm sure it's see-through. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I can't see that far away. I think it is. Yeah, got two more. So these must run small because they honestly like fit the best. Like, they're tight. It's not really like loose on my stomach or like right here. I don't have to pull them up as high. I think this is supposed to kind of be like a crop top. I'm not sure. But I love this. This might be like top 2. See the detail? Yeah, I like this. All right, and then this was last. And it's just embroidered with, it says sleep on it. These don't fit as big as the other ones did, but they also don't fit as good. They're probably right in the middle, so they probably fit slick the best because the Mickey Mouse was slick a little too tight. So yeah, this is really soft. Even though it's satin like the other ones were, I do think the material is a little bit softer. Very comfortable. So out of like 12 items, I think I said, there was only one that I didn't like, or you know, that didn't fit well. I consider that like a win. Like, okay, BooHoo. Okay. So I am gonna see how much like their returns are. If I have to pay to send it back, it's not worth sending it back. Because like I said, it probably was at most $15, and if I gotta pay like $7 to send it back, I just give it to somebody for that. But I hope y'all enjoyed. I will link below all of the sets so that y'all can just click. Your girl don't have no affiliate links yet, so this ain't, you know, sponsor or nothing. This is just me helping you out. Since I spent the little coin, somebody else spent some money, so I don't feel so bad. Okay, while y'all in there cuddling during quarantine, at least do so, you know, matching. But I hope you all liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If this is your second, third, fourth, fifth video, share it with a friend because clearly you like your girl, okay? Maybe your other friends will like me too. But thank you so much, y'all, for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.